Welcome back Autocars. The 2025 Toyota Glanzer is set to make waves in the premium hatchback segment with its stylish design, advanced features, and impressive performance. As Toyota's rebadged version of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, the Glanzer has gained a reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and a premium driving experience. The latest model brings subtle yet significant updates that enhance its appeal, making it a strong contender in its category. Toyota has retained the sleek and modern design of the Glanzer while refining certain elements to give it a fresh look. The front grille has been updated with a more pronounced chrome finish, giving the car a distinct identity. LED projector headlamps with DRLs continue to add to its stylish presence, ensuring excellent visibility in all driving conditions. The sculpted bonnet and aerodynamic lines contribute to improved efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The rear section features a refreshed bumper design and LED tail lamps, adding to its premium appeal. The 2025 Glanzer offers a well-appointed cabin with premium materials and advanced technology. The dashboard design remains clean and elegant, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time information on speed, fuel efficiency, and other vehicle metrics. The dual-tone interior, soft-touch materials, and leather-wrapped steering wheel elevate the cabin experience, making long drives comfortable and enjoyable. Toyota has equipped the Glanzer with several modern features to enhance convenience and safety. Automatic climate control ensures optimal cabin temperature, while the push-button start-stop adds to the ease of operation. Cruise control makes highway drives effortless, and the tilt and telescopic steering adjustment ensures a comfortable driving position. The rear AC vents, ample legroom, and supportive seats ensure that passengers enjoy a comfortable journey. A 360-degree camera, parking sensors, and a head-up display are also available in higher variants, making maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. The 2025 Toyota Glanzer is powered by a refined 1.2-liter, four-cylinder petrol engine that delivers a balance of performance and efficiency. Producing around 90 horsepower and 113 Newton-meters of torque, this engine ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Toyota offers both a 5-speed manual and an automated manual transmission option, catering to different driving preferences. The inclusion of idle start-stop technology helps enhance fuel efficiency, making the Glanzer one of the most economical cars in its class. The suspension setup has been tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease while maintaining stability at high speeds. Toyota places a strong emphasis on safety, and the 2025 Glanzer is no exception. It comes equipped with dual front airbags as standard, while higher variants offer 6 airbags for enhanced protection. ABS with EBD ensures controlled braking, while electronic stability control (ESC) and hill hold assist provide added confidence on slopes. The robust body structure has been designed to absorb impact energy, offering better crash protection. Toyota has also incorporated ISOFIX child seat mounts, making the car a safer choice for families. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Glanzer is its fuel efficiency, which is expected to be around 22 to 24 km/h, depending on driving conditions and transmission choice. Toyota's trusted engineering ensures that the engine delivers optimal performance while keeping fuel consumption in check. Additionally, the brand offers a strong after-sales service network, ensuring easy maintenance and reliability. The Glanzer is backed by Toyota's warranty and service packages, adding further peace of mind for buyers. Toyota has positioned the 2025 Glanzer as a value-for-money offering in the premium hatchback segment. It competes with models like the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Hyundai i20, and Tata Altroz. What sets it apart is Toyota's reputation for durability and quality, making it a preferred choice for buyers who seek reliability and long-term ownership benefits. For those looking for a stylish, feature-packed, and fuel-efficient hatchback, the 2025 Toyota Glanzer presents itself as a compelling option. With its refined design, advanced technology, and Toyota's assurance of quality, it is set to attract both young professionals and families alike. Whether it's for daily commutes or weekend getaways, the Glanzer promises a well-rounded driving experience that combines comfort, efficiency, and reliability. Thank you my YouTube channel, please subscribe me.